Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're ready to add a card now. Make sure your phone is updated and you're signed into the Google account you use for payments. Open Google Pay and go straight to Payments, then select Plus Payment Method and choose Card. Scan the card with your camera or type numbers manually, then enter billing address exactly as the bank has it. Once done, expect an SMS or email code. Keep your phone nearby to complete verification without delay. After you submit details, you'll need to verify ownership. Enter the OTP or follow the bank's verification prompt. Sometimes they use an in-app challenge. Once confirmed, set the card as default if you want it to pay first when you tap. Also, make sure NFC and host card emulation are enabled on your phone via settings right arrow connected devices, right arrow NFC. If you plan to use lock screen security, add fingerprint or PIN, so Google Pay can authorize transactions quickly and securely. Finish by making a small test payment, tap at a terminal or complete a $1 purchase online to confirm processing. If it works, you're done. Check Payments right arrow saved payment methods to set preferences, add notes, or remove extras. If you hit an error, make sure the bank didn't place a hold, the app has required permissions, and your phone has network access. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card after 10 minutes, or contact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.